Get ready to upgrade your life with these must-have gadgets. From smart organizers to powerful tools and cozy winter essentials, we've got the coolest finds you didn't know you needed. Let's dive in. This is the Memoking T02 Mini Sticker Printer, your pocket-sized creativity machine. Print pictures, notes, labels, or even 3D crafts, all ink-free with crisp thermal printing. Perfect for students, planners, and creative minds. Compatible with iOS and Android, it's a fun tool for learning, organizing, or just making cool stickers. Plus, it's small, cute, and easy to carry anywhere. Get printing, get creative, makes it fun. This is SockDock, the ultimate sock-saving solution. Wash, dry, and store your socks in pairs. No more mismatches, no more sock hunts. Just clip, toss in the washer, and hang them up. Easy for kids, college students, and busy families. Holds up to 9 pairs and even works for gloves, scarves, and delicates. Durable, adjustable, and fun to use, SockDock keeps your socks together from laundry to closet. Say goodbye to the lost sock mystery. This is Newbealer's 1200-watt Travel Steamer, your wrinkle-removing powerhouse. Heats up in just 20 seconds with 2 steam levels for deep cleaning and odor removal. Steam vertically, iron horizontally, no leaks, no spills. The detachable water tank lets you steam for 10 minutes straight, and its foldable, lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. Keep your clothes fresh, crisp, and wrinkle-free wherever you go. This is Vitopmart's 25-piece clear drawer organizer set, your all-in-one solution for a clutter-free home. With 4 different sizes, these versatile trays fit perfectly in vanity, kitchen, office, and bathroom drawers. The non-slip design keeps everything in place, while the stackable feature saves space when not in use. Made of durable, clear plastic, so you can find what you need at a glance. Organizing has never been this easy. Keep your space neat, tidy, and stress-free. This is the Philips Viva Collection Soup Maker, your shortcut to homemade soups in just 18 minutes. With 6 preset programs, whip up pureed, chunky, cold soups, smoothies, and more. No extra pots or blenders needed. The 1.2-liter capacity makes 2 to 4 servings, perfect for quick meals. Plus, it comes with a recipe book to inspire your creations. Fresh, healthy, and effortless. Bring the joy of homemade soup to your kitchen. This is the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer. Powerful, versatile, and built for effortless mixing. With 275 watts of peak power, it tackles everything from thick dough to fluffy whipped cream. The 6 speeds and quick burst function give you total control, while the easy clean beaters prevent clogging. Plus, with 7 attachments and a snap-on storage case, you'll never lose a beater again. Mixing made easy. Bake like a pro. This is the SIMP 18-watt LED floor lamp. Super bright, eye-friendly, and fully adjustable. With 1300 lumens of flicker-free light, it's perfect for reading, working, or relaxing. Customize brightness from 10% to 100% and adjust color temperature from warm to cool. Control it remotely from up to 40 feet away or use the built-in switch. The flexible gooseneck lets you direct light exactly where you need it, and the sturdy base ensures stability. Easy to install, stylish and smart. Light up your space with Zimp. This is the Fantic E1 Max Mini Electric Screwdriver. Compact, powerful, and built for precision. With 50 interchangeable bits and precise torque settings, it's perfect for electronics, phones, cameras, and more. The sleek magnetic case keeps everything organized, while the rechargeable battery powers through 400 screws per charge. Need speed? Its 200 RPM motor makes repairs effortless. Whether you're fixing a gadget or upgrading your gear, this mini powerhouse gets the job done. This is the Joseph Multi-Grip Box Grater, your ultimate kitchen sidekick. With precision food grip, you can safely hold small or large ingredients while grating. Its 4 sharp stainless steel blades handle everything from fine zesting to slicing. The ergonomic handle and non-slip base keep things steady, while the built-in measuring base collects as you grate. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Grate smarter, not harder. This is the Ordora 8-tier pot and pan organizer, the ultimate space saver for your kitchen. With 3 DIY assembly options, you can stack, stand, or spread out your cookware with 0 tools needed. The upgraded U-turn design and rubber-coated dividers keep everything secure, while the heavy-duty iron frame ensures long-lasting stability. Adjustable tiers fit pots, pans, lids, and more. No more digging through messy stacks. Get organized, cook stress-free. This is the Govee Smart Light Bulb, where color meets convenience. With 16 million colors and 54 preset modes, you can set the perfect vibe for any moment. Sync to music, control with Alexa or Google Assistant, and customize brightness, all from your phone. Group multiple bulbs, set schedules, and enjoy effortless smart lighting. Elevate your space with color, fun, and total control. This is the Sunmori floor lamp with shelves, where lighting meets storage. Featuring a 3-color temperature LED bulb, a stylish cloth lampshade, and 3 sturdy shelves, it's perfect for displaying decor or storing essentials. Whether in the living room or bedroom, its minimalist design fits any style. Plus, it's easy to assemble. Light up and organize your space effortlessly. This is the AI Hand Warmers Rechargeable 2-Pack, your winter essential. With AI smart chips for precise heat control, these 6,000 mAh warmers provide up to 20 hours of cozy warmth. Use them separately or snap them together for 360-degree heat. Perfect for camping, skiing, or just staying toasty on the go. A sleek, supercar-inspired design ensures comfort and grip, the ultimate gift for chilly days. This is the SNTD 5-tier rotating storage rack, your all-in-one kitchen organizer. With 360-degree swivel wheels and 270 degrees rotating baskets, you can easily grab what you need from any angle. A sturdy metal frame with breathable mesh keeps fruits and veggies fresh, while the high fence prevents spills. Perfect for potatoes, onions, bread, or even toys and bathroom essentials. Roll it anywhere or lock it in place. Organization just got easier. This is the ultimate heated glove for winter warriors. With double-row heating wires, your hands stay toasty from palm to fingertips. A built-in power display keeps you informed, while the 7-layer design locks in warmth. Need to text or navigate? The touchscreen-friendly fingertips have you covered. Waterproof, windproof, and powered by a long-lasting 7.4-volt battery, perfect for skiing, hiking, fishing, or braving the cold. Stay warm, stay active. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these awesome gadgets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Let us know your favorite in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.